lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vivian's Cuisine. Let's make plantain egg frittata. Yeah, here's my plantain egg frittata. If you want to know how I did this, stay tuned and watch me do it. You can use it as your breakfast or brunch. It is made from ripe plantain and egg. These are the main ingredients for it. So in my list of 3 ingredients, I have my plantains, egg, chicken sausage, vegetable oil, salt, curry, onions, parsley, red pepper, peppers, and chicken seasoning. So I'll start by frying the plantain. You can cut it into different shapes as your desired shape, round, cube. I prefer it round, that's why I cut them this way. So this plantain, you don't need to fry it 100%, just 50% is okay because we are going to bake it. So I'll just fry it halfway, half done. Yeah, you can see it, just half done because I'll bake it, so no need to fry it 100%. Then next, I'll start by frying the onions. I've already added 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Just let the onions to sizzle for a minute, after which I'll add my chicken sausage and my red bell pepper. I didn't add all, I left some because I'll use them later. Then I'll add my spices, that is the salt, the chicken seasoning, the curry and the pepper. Then I'll let this to fry for just 2 minutes. Don't fry it too long because we are going to bake it alone. Then the next step, I'll beat the egg, then add my ready-made sausage into it. Then I'll mix them very well to combine. After doing this, you can test it for salt, pepper. If you want to add more spice to it, you can add it at this stage. Then when I'm through, I'll transfer it to my pan, already greased pan. Make sure you grease the pan. I already greased the pan just to make it not stick to the pan. Just grease it with oil, margarine, butter, anyone you wish to. Yeah, the plantain egg frittata is really beautiful. You can see it's very beautiful. They look very appetizing. Then I'll add my plantains on top of it. I'll gently place them on top of it. Then I'll also add my sausage and the red bell pepper, the remaining sausage and the red bell pepper. Just use it to design it very well so it will look appetizing. Then I'll sprinkle my parsley leaves on top of it. You can use any leaf, basil leaf, any vegetable, and even skip this method if you don't like the leaves. After doing this is ready to go to the oven. I'll bake it for 20 minutes, 350 degrees centigrade. To the oven. La la! My plantain egg frittata is ready. Wow, just look at that. Look at this. Very, very appetizing. Very, very colorful. And also tasty. This is tasty. very delicious. You can use it as lunch, as brunch, breakfast, small chops. Thank you for watching till this moment. Bye.